Hi guys, it's your Rina. Welcome to my channel. I'm in Paris and today I'm doing another unboxing. Today I'm unboxing my new Prada wallet. I'm very excited to open it with you guys because the last time I saw it, it was in the boutique. I got it from Galerie Lafayette, which is a big department store in Paris. So let's do it. Oh, of course I'm getting the book within your collection stuff. Sure. But this is not what we're here for. Well, here's the box. Authenticity card in here. And here's the wallet itself. Yeah, it's pink, and I'm removing this wrap. And you know what? It has birds in it. Well, it was from limited collection. I had to ask the guy to search for this one. They also have it in black, but one is better in pink. So yeah, here's my new wallet. This video was released thanks to your support. If you enjoyed this video, put your thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn your notifications on not to miss any of my videos, so that I know they're interesting for you and you want to see more vlogs from me. Become my passion to get an access to exclusive content about me. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned.